on, guys? Antonio Seymour here with a quick video, and I just figured I wanted to come on and show you guys how I got my setup going on when I'm putting together my orders. So those of you guys that are looking to get into the $1,500 or the $2,000 kits or $2,500 kit, this is what you're going to be doing. All right, so you got your bottles lined up. This is how I normally do my table. I come out my living room, I set up my bottles, all of whatever I have for the order. I go to my inventory, pull out the order, and then I set up my bottles, and then I come out here and I set up my table this way. This is how it's going to be. You know, for me, it's been the best. It's been the most efficient way of doing things. So I just wanted to share this with you guys because I figured maybe, you know, those of you who are getting started with those packages will want to know how to go ahead and set that up, or at least how I go ahead and set mine up. All right, so what I do is I take I have an empty box here where my bottles came in. All right, so here's the bottles here, but I have an empty bottle box that I use. I put my caps in, all my caps in here, and then I have my ball inserts here, and just another pack of caps on the side. So what I do is I take my caps here and my inserts, and I put my inserts inside my caps, just like that. All right, so I put the insert inside the cap, and then I stick those in a little section right here. So you see I have some already lined up in there, so that this way when I start pouring my bottles, you know, I'm minimizing my uh, hand movement on the table, because the last thing you want to do is something like that right there, knock the bottle over with oil in the bottle. You know, right now I've done that before, and you know anytime you losing product, you know, you're losing money. So you want to try to, you know, be as efficient as you can. So I figured I would share this information. Hopefully it will be helpful to someone. Also, I've been getting a lot of questions lately about sending out bottles without labels. So if you want your bottles without labels, if you guys have your own labels and you want to do that, we can do that. And this is how I send them. Most of the time, I send it either like this, or I will put a piece of tape on one of these bottles. I'm sorry about that. I put a piece of tape on one of these bottles to identify it and let you know what it is. So if you are interested in having that done for you, just let me know. If you guys want to use your own labels and you want to you don't want to go through the process of, you know, peeling off my labels, I don't have a problem doing that. So just let me know when you put your order in how you want that done. Also, what else? Let me see. Anything else? I think that's gonna be it right now, man. I think that's gonna be it, guys. You know, just keep going, keep doing what you're doing, man. I see a lot of you guys getting started with your business, and I appreciate the support. We really appreciate the support, all the love that we've been getting, man. You guys have been It's been such a blessing for us, man. You know, being in this place, being in this position, to be able to extend ourselves to hopefully do good in someone else's life, and be able to encourage you guys to move forward and do the things that you are being led to do. All right. So this is Antonio Seymour from Seymour Creations, and I am out.